So a year and a half ago, a man reached out to us about sequencing his dog's genome. His dog had cancer and he was interested in trying to figure out what was happening, why the cancer was there. We decided to create a new drug called an mRNA vaccine that was specific to this dog's tumor.
Cancer is a bit of a beast. And obviously, like, finding out about it, Rosie's my best mate, it was like devastating. But I thought, like, I'm gonna give a crack at trying to see if I can like come up with something to stop this. It seems like a crazy idea, but I just thought I'd try. And then I went and jumped on ChatGPT, came up with a plan, and the first step was to try to figure out how to get her genome sequenced. ChatGPT actually recommended that I reach out to Martin.
Sequencing a genome involves reading out every single position of every single chromosome in a cell's DNA. Ramashadi started sequencing a tumor sample and a normal blood sample to find the differences in the DNA between the blood and the tumor. The data that comes out is literally A, T, C's, and G's, and billions of them.
It's like, if you read computer code, you can say, okay, this code's gonna do this. That's what DNA is. It's like the computer code of you and me.
Paul reached back out saying, hey Martin, I found all these variants in the genome and I think I've narrowed it down, and we discussed cutting edge technology called an mRNA vaccine.
It's called messenger RNA. The messenger is because it's carrying the instructions around the cell on which parts of the DNA to make.
So it's an informational drug molecule. You just need to get the immune system activated. You need to teach it to recognize the cancer. We started making mRNA and then put it into a lipid nanoparticle and got it ready for injection to use to treat Rosie.
Rosie had the vaccine administered. I started to notice like the tissues were all getting smaller. You could really tell that like, oh wow, like it's shrunk it considerably. It was almost like she was back to her normal self. Rosie's immune system definitely picked it up.
Doing this with animals does also help us streamlining the processes and improve them for human health. So when this technology starts to really roll out in the next few years, for human health, it's going to be a game changer for cancer treatment. Rosie's story is going to be seen in the future possibly as a milestone on that journey.
Obviously the time has been great to have more time with Rose, and just to also see the sort of strength that she has. She's been a real fighter. She's my best mate, but now she's like my best mate.